Bonjour and welcome back to a new vlog. Today we are decorating the house for fall. I actually wanted to do this before leaving on vacation, but I didn't really have the time, so that's what we are doing today. I know you are waiting for the vacation video too. It's coming just a little later. For now, I want to show you the decorations I picked up this year, and then I will show you the ones I've kept from past years. So let's get started. I got this cute pumpkin shaped soap in orange, and of course a pumpkin, two leaf garlands that I'm planning to hang on the mirror. Then I picked up a tablecloth that I want to use here in the living room. Two kitchen towels. This is the first one. And I also got a brown one. I also have these two mushrooms. I think they are from Kik. So if you have a Kik store in your city, you can probably find them too. I will just show you one of them. Mine were actually a gift from Romania, but everything else I bought here in Canada. So if you'd like the same type of decorations, I'm sure you can find them in stores. And if not the exact same, at least something similar. Then I got some smaller pumpkins and pine cones that came together as a set. Here is what the little pumpkins look like. And then I have two things that I made myself. First, this candle, and then this little fox decoration. Okay, let me show you what else I still have from previous years. From past years, I still have this sign that says Fall Sweet Fall. Then let's see what else is in this box. Honestly, I don't even remember. There is another pumpkin, but this one has a flower, some leaves, and a pine cone on it. It's different from the simple one I showed you earlier. I've also got some little pumpkins, the same type as the ones from that set I just showed you. And then some black and white pumpkins and gold. Here is the first one. This one has a different shape, and there is also this style. Oh, and I still have this hourglass with a little skeleton head inside. Another soap dispenser too, this one with two sides. But honestly, I prefer the other one, the pumpkin shaped one. This one feels more like Halloween and I don't really celebrate Halloween. I don't usually decorate for it. I prefer to decorate for fall in general. I also have a brown candle, a basket where I can put all the little pumpkins, some outdoor lanterns, and a bunch of leaves in different colors: red, orange, yellow, and red with orange. Here is a pumpkin shaped jar where I can keep little things like candy, a small tray shaped like a leaf, some more green leaves, and this thing for wall or door hanging. I usually put it on the wall. And then another pumpkin, but gold. There is nothing left in the box, but I still have one thing here on the table. These pumpkin shaped salt and pepper shakers. I hope that the camera is focusing. So, these are all the fall decorations I've got. Let's start decorating the house because I honestly can't wait. Like I said, I've been waiting to do this since before going on vacation, but I just didn't have time back then. So let's see how the house looks after everything is set up. it for today's video decorating the house for fall. I hope you enjoy it. I hope I gave you some inspiration to decorate your own home, and I will see you in the next video, which will probably be the vacation vlog. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe.